Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Umamkhize, and I think this is the fall of Umamkhize. Ngokubheka kwezinto nje, guys. Let's just start from lephezulu. La abuya khona vele. So Umamkhize, guys, ukuze abe this rich. Bekashadile nobaba ka-Andile Mpisane, and then bahlukana, and then Umamkhize wacala sekanamathenda. Yes, amathenda wama-R_D_P. So bekanokuthatha ithenda ye-R_D_P and then ayakhe half yama-R_D_P and then lawa amanye angawayakhi imali yakhona ayithathe. Kufana ama-political scammers nje esibabiza kanjalo, ama-political scammers. So ugel-ke na indaba yakhona azange ngicede uku-investigate, so we all know SARS will always be on your case as long you owe it. So guys, let us asikhulume iqiniso. If ever it was you were going to scamile abantu fine, and then maqedile udlala imali, you were supposed to go there ubhadale SARS, because it's not like uMamkhize couldn't afford 40 million. Every year le mali le iyakhuphuka, every year iyakhuphuka. So she sat there and watched it grow. Iyakhuphuka. And then babathumela abantu bakwa-SARS ukuthi beze bazomu-investigate. Ugirl allegedly bekaletha iy'nkabi ukuthi zithusele labantu laba. And then the last case was bafuna ukubulala lo muntu we-SARS. Allegedly bafuna ukumbulala. So lo muntu lona wagcina sekeza namaphoyisa. They raided the house. So now indaba seyithi ugirl akasenamali. Iy'mali zakhe zonke zifriziwe, iy'moto zifriziwe, like everything ifriziwe, and it is believed usebenzisa ama-savings wakhe okugcina. Mhlambe nakhona bebawabeke kuye uThamya, ama-savings wokugcina nci. Ama-savings lawa, she used them for i-Christmas, that Christmas gift card. Yeah, wasenzela i-Christmas ikhadi lakhona, and we all know ukuthi u-Andile Mpisane nge-Christmas is not here eSouth Africa, akajwayelanga ukuba la eSouth Africa. Uye eParis or out there, so we were shocked ukuthi why bangapha eSouth Africa. And then size endabeni ye-Royal AM. I-Royal AM, guys, is currently handed over to SARS. I-Royal AM, the whole Royal AM is currently handed over to SARS. Kuthiwa they haven't been paid for 2 months. That's why they couldn't play njengoba kudlala manje. Bebaloba busy buying, postponing game yakhona, postponing. They couldn't play a game while they are not paid. So that's how we found out ukuthi imali zakaMamkhize, they are actually freezed, like zifriziwe, akasena imali la akhona, guys. And we all know ukuthi girlfriend izohamba njengoba imali seyiphelile. We're just waiting nje for ukuthi akhathale ahambe. Guys, thank you for watching. Yazini.